Is the iPhone 14 still worth buying in 2025? Or is it just an overpriced piece of shiny glass? Today, we're diving deep into the real story behind Apple's iPhone 14, the good, the bad, and the shocking truth no one talks about. From its powerful A15 Bionic chip to its not-so-new design. We're going to uncover whether this phone is a smart investment or a clever marketing trick. And trust me, you'll want to hear point number 5 before you decide. Apple played it safe with the iPhone 14's design. Same 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, same notch, same aluminum edges. But here's the catch, the build quality still feels premium. And that old panel delivers stunning colors that make Netflix and Instagram pop like never before. Under the hood, you're getting the A15 Bionic chip, the same one from the iPhone 13 Pro. That means lightning-fast performance, smooth gaming, and zero lag. But in 2025, it's not the fastest anymore. Still, for everyday use, it's a beast. Apple made a big deal about the new 1.2MP main camera with a larger sensor and photonic engine. Translation: better low-light photos, sharper portraits, and cinematic mode in 4K. The front camera even has autofocus, finally. But if you're expecting a huge leap from iPhone 13, you might be disappointed. Battery life, solid, around 20 hours of video playback. But the real game changer is Emergency SOS via satellite, a feature that could literally save your life if you're stuck somewhere with no signal. In 2025, the iPhone 14 sells for way less than launch price. That makes it tempting. But here's my honest take. If you want the latest features like Dynamic Island and 120Hz refresh rate, skip this and go for iPhone 15 or 15 Pro. If you just want a reliable, premium iPhone without spending a fortune, this is still a great choice. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone 14 still worth it in 2025? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss the truth about tech.